कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ।
क्या आपको पता है कि रोहित शर्मा ने अपना डेब्यू उस ऐतिहासिक मैच में किया था जिसमें युवराज सिंह ने एक ओवर में 6 छक्के लगाए थे। इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि रोहित शर्मा की पहली बैटिंग साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ एक ग्रीन पिच पर आई जब इंडियन टीम प्रेशर में थी। रोहित शर्मा ने न सिर्फ इंडियन टीम को प्रेशर से निकाला बल्कि अपनी दिलकश स्ट्रोक से शायकीन के दिल जीत लिए और इंडिया की जीत में अहम किरदार अदा किया।
Rohit Sharma now into the attack to bowl his spinners. Got him! Went too far across his stumps, Abhishek Nair, and he has to perish. A good delivery, full of length from Rohit Sharma.
Needless sense of purpose, because this really wasn't required from the left-hander. All he had to do was to support Dumini out there at the crease, which he couldn't. Gone for none, 103 for 5.
Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Harbhajan Singh does not even give himself a sighter. Goes to clear the short boundary and gets bowled.
Needless, senseless. Looking for a big shot of the first ball that he was facing, and Rohit Sharma has turned it around for his team big time. Mumbai Indians in a lot of problem, in hot soup. Harbhajan's gone for naught, 103 for 6.
I tell you what, that's out of here! Hat-trick for Rohit Sharma, would you believe it? Goes on the sweet JP Dumini, hits the pad, flicks the glove, great catch from Adam Gilchrist. It's all happening.
Well, he may not have a purple cap, but he's certainly hit a purple patch. Magnificent bowling. Dumini is the man to suffer. 3 of 3 deliveries. A lot of bat and pad, and Adam Gilchrist, what presence of mind. He is brilliant behind the stumps. He was brilliant too. Gone for 52. 108 for 7.
टाइगर
It's one of the best captains in the IPL. He was given the secret notes. No first game, no every day, no one. Only Rohit Sharma.
टाइगर का हुक्म
ரோஹித் சர்மாவை தயவு செய்து எட்டி உதச்சிட்டு
சர்மாவே பிடிக்காது bro.
टाइगर का हुक्म अर्थमैंदा राजा
Hi Virat, my name is Sayyid Haider. I'm from Star News, Pakistan. My question regarding the selection of the team, many people, they were talking about the selection that Ishan Kishan, he has played very well in the warm-up matches. So do you think that it's a mistake, Ishan Kishan, if he could play and then he can do better than Rohit Sharma?
Next question.
It's a very brave question. What do you think, sir? What do you think the team? No, please. I played the team that I thought was the best. What is your opinion?
No, I'm just asking you.
Will you drop Rohit Sharma
I'm not going to comment you.
From T20 internationals? Will you drop Rohit Sharma?
No.
You know what he did in the last game that we played? Yeah? Unbelievable. So if you want controversy, please tell me before so I can answer accordingly.
Because this is the first time I'm leading Mumbai Indians. But yeah, all those nervousness, went off when I entered the field because I wanted to concentrate on what I need to do. It's a short format. You need to keep thinking. So yeah, I was very happy with the way I approached the game and certainly the team. No, it was his personal decision. It takes a lot of heart and guts to do that. We felt that we wanted to get a right combination, and he was the one who stood up and told that I'll be not playing this game. So yeah. He hasn't been bowling badly. It's just that he wasn't into that wicket column. But today he certainly proved that what a dangerous bowler he can be, and we always rely on Malinga a lot. So we don't want to put unnecessary pressure on him because every time he goes out to play for Mumbai, he gives his more than 100%. So yeah, and today he certainly showed what he is capable of, and yeah, probably in the coming games also he will deliver for us. See, Dwayne Smith, gives us a lot of options in the field. He can be really dangerous with the bat. He can bowl few overs and very good on the field. We wanted him to get a go because he has done really well for us. Whatever games, whatever opportunity he has got, and today you saw what he did. So that's why we wanted him to get a go, and he certainly proved today he can be dangerous.
Favorite opponent? England, India?
India.
Favorite Indian batter? Rohit, Virat, or anybody else?
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
Yeah. Opening partnership alone. I'll look after opening partners.
Top middle partner. One Indian cricketer you wish was an Aussie. thinking about the
Rohit.
answer.
Rohit. Yeah.
History for Rohit Sharma.
इस दिन का इंतजार 140 करोड़ लोग कर रहे हैं। इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्ल्ड कप ग्रैंड फाइनल्स 2003 का बदला, 2015 का बदला, क्या इंडिया ले पाएगी? सर नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम 1,30,000 लोग इकट्ठे अपने जोर के साथ जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा के नारे।
शामों सुबह तू मेरा, तेरे बिना क्या मेरा, दो जिस्म का एक है, ना होना कभी तू जुदा, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बन के जो इश्क बरसे, तेरी मेरी कहानी, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बन के जो इश्क बरसे, तेरी मेरी कहानी, मुझ में सफर तू करती रहे, हर एक सांस में गुजरती रहे, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बन के जो इश्क बरसे, तेरी मेरी कहानी। तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा, ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को छूमे तिरंगा, माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले, आए चल